Ali was a hard-working young boy who dreamed of a successful life. However, things never seemed to go his way. Despite his efforts, he faced many failures. He lost a job, his business didn't work out, and his friends started avoiding him because of his struggles. Every night, he would sit alone, wondering why life was so unfair to him. One day, while walking in the park, he saw an old man selling balloons. The man had on a wheelchair, yet he had the brightest smile on his face. Ali was surprised. "Uncle, you have so many struggles, yet you are so happy. How?" he asked. The old man laughed and said, "Son, life will always have problems, but being sad won't solve them. When I lost my legs in an accident, I had two choices: cry about it or find a way to live happily. I chose happiness. If I had given up, I wouldn't be standing here today, selling balloons and bringing smiles to children." Ali thought deeply about his words. That day, he decided to change his mindset. Instead of complaining about his failures, he started looking at them as lessons. He worked harder but with a positive attitude. Soon, he found a new job and started saving money again. His happiness attracted people towards him, and life began to change for the better. Years later, Ali became a successful businessman. Whenever someone asked him the secret of his success, he would smile and say, "Try to be happy in every situation, because sadness only makes problems worse, but happiness gives you the strength to solve them."